Hey precious family, welcome to our Brazil kitchen. We thank God for another day. Today we're making simple peanut butter pie. I have 2 packs Oreos. It's 12 in a pack, so I'm using 2. I'm going to blend it. You can use Ziploc bag to break yours down. Okay, look at okay, so now I pour in my 4 tablespoons melted butter. Then you mix it well together. The Oreos and the butter together, smelling so, I would say beautiful smell. The smell is so good. Yummy. Okay, now, so transferring into my pan. I'd rather use the spoon because the cup is getting stuck at the bottom. Yeah, so press it down like that. This is it, guys. I'm going to put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. You can put it as long as you want. And because of the cream in the Oreo, it makes it more firm. Let's see. So you put it in the fridge as long as you want. You can do it ahead of maybe time, or 2 days, 5 days waiting for you. In here I have 1 cup peanut butter and cream cheese, 8-ounce pack. I'm going to mix all together. I'm adding the powdered sugar. It's 1 cup, but very full. Huge. I made it huge. Okay, so I add in my vanilla. So now it's time for the whipped cream. Okay, 8 ounces. Okay, I'm adding heavy cream, a little bit. How beautiful it is, and it smells so good. Hey, peanut butter. That's our crust. And now you spread it. I say makashi na neden enye gweri ndi maka meku yapim. Neden enye gweri kra. That foam, just small eye. The taste, is out of area. It tastes good. Tastes really, really good. And the stove, I have my milk here. I'm adding a little bit of chocolate chip and heavy cream, and I add chocolate chip. I'm adding this chocolate to it. I put it in the freezer till the next day. So it's in the morning now, and I'm gonna add the chocolate. Yep. After the chocolate, I put it back inside the freezer for just some few minutes, and it's ready. Yeah. Open, open, open. That's really good. Really, really good. This is a must try. Beautiful. And it tastes good too. Not only beautiful, it tastes really good. Thanks for watching, and stay blessed. Love you all. Bye.